immune system consists of organs, cells, tissues, and proteins. When the immune system comes in contact with a pathogen, it triggers an immune response and releases antibodies which attach to antigens on the pathogens and kill them. Incorporating these specific foods into your daily diet helps strengthen a person's immune response and boost their immune system. Turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow spice that people use in cooking. It is also present in some alternative medicines as it contains a compound called curcumin. Due to this, turmeric has many medicinal qualities such as an anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Consuming turmeric every day also helps in improving liver function and aids your overall digestion. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains an antioxidant called theobromine. Research shows that theobromine helps maintain a healthy heart and a healthy respiratory system while also reducing inflammation. Research also shows that consuming dark chocolate releases endorphins, which generally improves a person's mood and boosts their energy levels due to the presence of caffeine. Oranges. Oranges are one of the most popular fruits. It belongs to a large group of fruits known as citrus fruits. It is a type of low-calorie, highly nutritious fruit. Oranges contribute to strong and clear skin. It is a good source of fiber which helps deal with diabetes and assists in weight loss. Broccoli. Broccoli is a green vegetable that is closely related to cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cauliflower. All edible plants collectively referred to as cruciferous vegetables. It is a good source of fiber and protein which helps control blood sugar levels and maintain bone health. It promotes healthy digestion and contributes to reduced inflammation. Broccoli also contains minerals such as iron, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which also aid in maintaining a healthy immune system. Ginger. Ginger is a plant that is native to Asia. The ginger spice comes from the roots of the plant and is prominently used as a food flavoring as well as medicine. Ginger contains chemicals that help reduce nausea and any form of allergic reaction. These chemicals mainly work in the stomach and intestines, but research has shown that even the smell of ginger extracts help to control nausea. It helps to deal with morning sickness and is usually prescribed during pregnancy. It also helps dealing with menstrual pain. Garlic. Garlic is closely related to the onion, chive, and shallots. It has been used by humans for thousands of years for both culinary purposes and its therapeutic benefits. Garlic is highly nutritious but has very few calories. It helps to regulate high cholesterol and high blood pressure while also helping to combat common colds and is a very simple food to incorporate in your daily cooking. Almonds. Almonds are among the world's most popular tree nuts. They are highly nutritious and rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It is one of the top sources of vitamin E, which is known to promote healthy hair and skin. It is a source of magnesium, which improves blood circulation and cholesterol levels. Eating almonds also reduces hunger as it is a source of good fat that lowers your overall calorie intake and assists in weight loss. These were 7 foods that help boost your immunity. Incorporate these foods in your daily diet to ensure the body is sound in health and is resilient against pathogens and bacteria.